Artificial intelligence is changing the world. Robots are becoming more advanced. They can perform tasks that only humans could do before. This new generation of robots is transforming the workforce. These robots use AI to learn and adapt. They can analyze data and improve their performance. This means they can handle more complex tasks. They are becoming increasingly common in various industries. AI-powered robots offer many benefits. They can work faster and more accurately than humans. They don't need breaks or sleep. This increased efficiency can lead to lower costs and higher productivity. However, the rise of these robots also raises important questions about the future of work. One of the most remarkable things about AI robots is their ability to learn. They use machine learning algorithms to improve their performance over time. They can access and process vast amounts of data. This allows them to identify patterns and make predictions. This learning capability makes AI robots highly adaptable. They can adjust to new situations and learn new tasks. This makes them suitable for a wide range of applications. They can perform tasks that are dangerous or repetitive. They can also assist humans in complex tasks that require precision and speed. As AI technology continues to advance, robots are becoming even more sophisticated. They are developing the ability to learn from their experiences and from human interactions. This continuous learning process is making them increasingly valuable in the workforce. AI robots are already making their mark in various industries. In healthcare, robots assist surgeons in performing complex procedures. They can also provide care for elderly patients. In manufacturing, robots work alongside humans on assembly lines. This collaboration increases efficiency and improves safety. Customer service is another area where AI robots are making an impact. Chatbots interact with customers online, answering questions and resolving issues. These bots can handle a large volume of inquiries simultaneously. This frees up human customer service agents to focus on more complex problems. As AI technology advances, we can expect to see even more innovative applications of AI robots. They have the potential to automate tasks in fields like transportation, education, and agriculture. This transformation will have a significant impact on the workforce and on society as a whole. The rise of AI robots raises important ethical and social concerns. One concern is the potential for job displacement. As robots become more capable, they may replace humans in certain roles. This could lead to unemployment and economic inequality. Another concern is the potential for bias in AI algorithms. If these algorithms are trained on biased data, they may perpetuate and even amplify existing inequalities. It is crucial to address these ethical concerns to ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly. Despite these concerns, it is important to remember that AI robots are tools. Their impact on society will depend on how we choose to use them. By embracing AI responsibly and addressing the ethical challenges, we can harness its power to create a better future for everyone.